debentures of 100 each on the following terms: 20 on application, 20 on allotment, 30 on first call, 30 on second and final call. The public applied for 2,400 debentures. So if you see, children, the issue is oversubscribed by 400 debentures. Applications for 1,800 debentures were accepted in full. Applications for 400 debentures were allotted 200 debentures. So here there is first category, 1,800 we are giving full 1,800. Applications for 400 are given only 200 debentures. So whatever application money is extra paid on these 200 debentures will be transferred to where? The second installment, that is allotment. And applications for 200 debentures were rejected past necessary journal entries. First of all, when we receive the application money, it will be on 2,400 debentures, right? Because it is oversubscription. But allotment onwards, when you make the call, it will be on only 2,000 debentures, the debentures which you have. Now, this application money is transferred to debentures. It is transferred to allotment because we have excess 200 debentures, right? Pro rata is there. And remaining 200 we are rejecting. So what will be the second entry? I hope it is clear, nothing difficult actually. Here you just have to remember that out of 2,400, 2,000 you can transfer to debenture. 200 you are rejecting, so it will go to bank, refund. Rest 200, as for 400 you're giving 200. So extra money, application money on these 200, what you will do, you'll just transfer to allotment. Rest entries are same. If I write the working will be like this: 2,000 debentures at the rate of 100. Then on application 20, on allotment 20, on the first call 30, second and final 30. Then applications are received for 2,400 debentures and rejection is for 200 debentures. I hope it is clear, children. The second entry is fine, right? You all understood. 2,400, 2,000 will transfer to debentures, 200 will transfer to bank, and extra 200 will transfer to allotment. Okay, so let's start with the journal. Any doubt in this? Okay. So first entry will be for the application money received, right? Journal of Dogra Limited. It will be bank account debit to debenture application account. 2,400 into 20 rupees. So it will be 48,000, is it? It will be application money received. Yes. Now see, if you're going next term, as you know, descriptive is there, right? Short forms are not allowed, okay? In exam, you have to write full spelling, debenture application like that. Yes. What's the second entry? See, because for 400 you're giving 200. It means on that extra 200 application money is transferred to allotment. I hope it is clear to all. So 48,000 then it will be 40,000, then it will be 4,000 and 4,000. So the narration will be application, debentures allotted, excess money transferred to allotment, debentures allotted and excess money transferred to allotment, and for rejected application, refunded. Next entry is debenture allotment account debit to 9% debentures account. $2,000 into 20. Allotment call made. Allotment call made. This money is received extra, right, with the application which you have transferred to allotment. So we subtract this and then we write. In shares also we do the same thing. So be very careful for the figures. Okay, thing happens in shares also. Okay, children. So bank account debit to debenture allotment account. Debenture allotment account. It will be 36,000. Allotment money received. Now for making the first call and final call, it's simple because on 2,000 you will make at the rate of 30, you will receive the full amount. On 2,000, final call on 30, you will receive the full amount. Okay. So let's make the next call. That is the first call. What's the entry for that? Debenture first call account debit to 9% debentures account. And the amount will be 2,000 debentures. We are asking for 30. So 60,000. First call. So first call made. Debenture holders are paying because of the first call. So sixth entry will be bank account debit to debenture first call account 60,000. Company is making the second and final call on debentures. This debenture second and final call account debit to 9% debentures account. Debenture second and final call account debit to 9% debentures account. Again, it's on 2,000 debentures at the rate of 30, so 60,000, and we receive this amount. Yes, come on. Second and final call money received.